Welcome to your next Mastercam transition lesson on data management and collaboration. When coming from Mastercam, you will most likely be accustomed to using Windows Explorer to organize your files and using the File Open command to bring in your data. Fusion 360, instead, stores data on the cloud and is directly accessible within the software itself via the data panel, which breaks it down into projects, libraries, and samples. We'll talk about the benefits of cloud data storage later on, but the gist of Fusion's cloud data platform is that it allows you to access your data anytime, anywhere. Projects are where you can upload existing data, organize files into folders, and invite people to join the project. Anyone with that invite will be able to view all of the contents within that respective project, with access rights managed via Fusion Team. Libraries are where your cloud assets, such as CAM templates, post-processors, and tool libraries are stored. As Fusion uses the cloud to store data, you can find these assets available on any computer you log into, which is particularly useful if you have any custom data you do not want to recreate each time. Asset libraries also update seamlessly for everyone in the team, so if someone adds or removes tools from the library, there's no need to manually send the new tool library or write a note telling them which tools to edit. Finally, the samples folder are where training and sample material are stored to support you in your Fusion development. Fusion still utilizes the traditional file commands, letting you save, open, and export, giving you more control over how you manage your data. When creating a new design within a project, you will see a version number which updates each time you save. Clicking on this gives us some information, including detail of the design's history, the time of the last update, by who, and for what reason, with the most recent at the top. Should you find a previous version is preferred, you can simply promote that version with this icon. The details also include where the part is used and what this part is used by. You should note that if you move a part to a different location within a project, these references will be maintained, a major improvement over legacy data that required a specific file path to prevent broken references. Finally, any generated 2D engineering drawings, if present, can also be found here. With this approach, Fusion helps mitigate issues associated with traditional file saving, as there are no risks of users working on out-of-date projects. You can also view details via a web browser by clicking on the project name at the top of the data panel, which will take you to that project in Fusion Team. From here, you can export to several file formats, edit, manage, share, upload, and create new projects and files. You can also review details, manage project members, and view all related activity to the folder you are in. Finally, Desktop Connector is an integrated Autodesk data management system that lets you access and manage your data and assets on your desktop, just as you would with traditional techniques. Let's now look at how Fusion 360 can improve collaboration within your team. Unlike Mastercam, Fusion 360 is fully integrated and cloud-based, meaning you can work on your project from concept to manufacture with access to the data from any device, anywhere. Along with this, Fusion Team means you can also have multiple stakeholders from multiple disciplines and backgrounds involved in the project, helping them to collaborate efficiently without bottlenecks. By utilizing the integrated and work anywhere approach in managing stakeholder access, Fusion 360 will help you speed up your manufacturing process, decreasing the possibility of wasting time on outdated versions, accessing your data, and other problems associated with more traditional CAM workflows. Here, I have created a project which I want to share between product designers, programmers, management, suppliers, and the client to show you the power behind Fusion 360's collaborative and connected approach. To add people, simply navigate to the People tab within your project in the Data panel. Similarly, you can add and manage project members via Fusion Team. Here, you can also choose the status of your project among open, closed, or secret, where each type defines to which degree different users can view the project and access the data. When working with multiple users, Fusion Team lets you define access rights to each user, meaning only those who need to view can view, and those who need to edit can edit. Also, third parties won't be able to view the internal dialogues, should you want to maintain a certain level of privacy when communicating internally. Once you are happy with the file you have created, it is easy to share it with management or your client by email. You can also add a password for added peace of mind. The link can be accessed from any internet-connected device, and the recipients will not need a Fusion 360 license to access the project viewer. During the whole manufacturing process, Fusion 360 makes it easy to share and discuss the program with all involved stakeholders, meaning it is easier to resolve and mitigate against any possible issues. It is worth underlining how Fusion captures all activities, so you have full traceability of the product's manufacturing process. This video covered some of the benefits Fusion 360 offers in terms of data management and collaboration when transitioning from Mastercam. In the next one, we'll take a look at the concept of machining setups.